Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, I hope you are doing well. Guys, this is 32 video of my English journey. Guys, as you know that guys, I am a beginner. Nowadays I am learn English. Guys, today topic is how to start speaking English without fear. Guys, as you know that nowadays I am learning English and I am make this video every day, but 2 or 3 days I am not make this video because I have lots of work these 2 or 3 days, and 2 or 3 days I am totally busy, guys. But this is Sunday and I make video, and guys, this is my topic, how to start English without fear. Guys, many student think when I uh, when I uh, when I learn English, then I make video and then I will speak English fluently. But guys, this is not good, guys. But nowadays I am learn English and I am learning I am learning and I make this video and I'll upload my YouTube channel because this is my English practice, guys. And I every day I am every day learn English, and I learn new words, and I do shadowing practice, guys. If you are learner, so don't afraid speaking English, guys. As you know, when we uh, when we uh, when we learn English, guys, then our mind is totally blank. Just like my mind is totally blank when I speak English, then my mind is totally blank because if we are practicing English, then we are learning tenses, grammar, then this is good, guys. But when, whenever we not speak English loudly, then we cannot we cannot speaking, and we cannot listening properly, then we cannot achieve and we cannot learn many things, guys. If we are learning English, and just like, guys, I am face lots of problems these days because when I upload my videos, then many people many people, my friends, they laugh at me, guys, because my friends sees me, if you are if you are perfect in English, then you make these videos. Guys, my English is not good, but I am try to little bit, and I am try to English practice, guys. As you know that my grammar is not perfect, but I am try to little bit, guys. If you are a beginner and you learn many things, and you teaches our friends and people and children, guys, please make this video and use simple English word, and speaking slowly, and make कहने का मतलब ना, listen more and more, guys. And first thing is speaking and listening. Speaking and listening is two things. Is when you are speaking, when you are listening, then your English day by day improve, guys. I am I am learn English day by day, and my English is day by day improve. And if I will wait, then I will perfect English, then I make videos and I upload, then this is not, guys. And I make this video or whatever, कहते हैं ना, मैं ये नहीं सोचता कि यार लोग मुझ पे हंसेंगे या क्या कहेंगे, बट मैं अपनी जैसी भी इंग्लिश रहती है मैं अपलोड कर देता हूँ, गाइस. दिस इज़ a good way, guys. My English is not good, but I am making this video and I face many problems, I make many mistakes, एंड कहते हैं ना, गलती करने से ही व्यक्ति सीखता है कि हाँ आगे जाके क्या होगा। गाइस, don't be afraid, please make this video and learn new things and use simple vocabulary. And guys, this is simple topic. Don't afraid this English journey and English content in each and everything. And I would say suggest you, please learn English listening and speaking loudly, and please and do shadowing practice. Guys, this time I applied these things, and as you know that, and I am making this video, and then I will upload my YouTube channel, guys. So this video is very helpful for you, guys. Please, if like this video, please like, share and comment, and we will meet in the next video. Bye bye, take care.